Well, the Karnataka government has announced a COVID relief package of 1,250 crore for farmers, auto and cab drivers, construction workers, artists and various workers in the unorganized sector on the 19th of May. But till date, all of these people do not seem to be anywhere near that relief amount. Take a look.
The lockdown by the Karnataka government to control the surge in the number of COVID cases has helped to a large extent. Cases which touched an all-time high of over 50,000 cases on a single day are now down to around 16,000. But the lockdown has impacted the lives of those who are from the lower strata of the society, such as the farmers, auto and cab drivers, construction workers, artists and various workers in the unorganized sector. To ease their problems, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa on May 19 announced a COVID relief package worth Rs 1,250 crores. But 15 days later, the relief amount has not reached them all. Gangadhar, who is an auto driver, says they want the government to lift the lockdown so that they can get back to work, saying that the government aid has never reached them.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಗೆ ಸೇರಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೇಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಸರ್?
ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಲೈನು ಸೇವಾ ಸಿಂಧು ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು ಇದೇ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು ಒಂದು 25% ಬಂತು, 75% ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. 5,000 ಸಾವಿರ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಅದು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸಲ ಏನೋ 3,000 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Roadside vendors are also struggling to cope. Very few of them are out on the streets right now. All their fruits are wasted every day and they haven't received a single penny from the relief amount.
ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, 2,000 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಮುಂಚೆ ಮೋದಿಯವರು 10,000 ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಂಟು ಫೋಟೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡಿದು ಎಲ್ಲ 1,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಅದನ್ನು 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸರ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 400-500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸರ್. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು.
The government has assured that as many as 3.05 lakh unorganized sector workers, including tailors, potters, mechanics, blacksmiths and domestic workers, will be given Rs 2,000 each. But that hasn't happened yet.
ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರು ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ತುಂಬ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಆದಾಗ ತುಂಬ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. 5,000 ಸಾವಿರ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ರು, ಆದರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡೇ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸಲನೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರು, ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಏನು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ನಮಗೂ ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಗೆ. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸಲ 2,000 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೇನು ಸಾಲೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ. 2,000 ಏನು ಸಾಲುತ್ತೆ? ಮನೇಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರೆ 8 ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಈಗ ದುಡಿಮೆ ನಂಬ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ನಾವು ಬದುಕ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
The opposition Congress in the state has now begun distributing ration kits to many such people, claiming that with no relief amount reaching them, this is the only way they can survive till the lockdown ends.
Chief Minister of Karnataka had announced a package of 1,200 crores for the poor, especially the Corona warriors and the poor in the BPL. Not even a single rupee has been distributed. That is the reason we as a Congress members in almost all the wards we are distributing the food kits and the even the medical kits are also being distributed for the poor people. It's only because after the failure of the government, it's the duty of the government to provide these amenities. Since they have failed, we are doing the same thing. There is no money, it is just a jumla.
It's been 2 weeks now since Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa announced a COVID relief package for all those in need. But as of today, many of them state that they have not received any money. They do not know what has happened to it, neither do they believe they will ever receive it. This is the state of affairs in Karnataka today. With video journalist Madhuwar, Nolan Pinto.